How's it going, reinventors? Happy Vlogmas. This is the days leading up to December 25th, and in this video series, I'm going to be bringing you 25 things to do after you retire. I'm Amelia, this is Reinventing You. This channel is all about inspiring you so that you can reinvent your life. I want you to live a life of joy, fulfillment, and purpose. I normally post twice a week, but in this instance, during Vlogmas, I'll be posting every day. I'm glad that you are here. I retired early from the ministry after 20 years, but it doesn't matter what age you retire. You are probably looking for what are you going to spend your time doing after you have retired, and I want to help you out through my own experience. If you are interested, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the bell. That way you'll be notified when I post new videos. This video is for December the 19th. Number 19, be smart with your money. Now, I am not a retirement expert. I am not anything to do with, investing, retiring, all of those kinds of things in terms of investing in your money and how to handle your money. So this is one time where you're probably going to want some kind of financial advisor. This is a huge, when you're retiring, now is the time to buckle down and find somebody who's going to advise you, somebody wise. Now, I had a video about finding a therapist, and I think you can do some of the similar things to find a respectable, responsible, trustworthy financial advisor, but I'm not going to advise you on that. I'm just saying you make some wise decisions with your money. Sometimes wise decisions are not what you, or maybe even, bless you, what you or maybe even your parents did with their money. Because for my parents' generation, it was pay off all your debts and be debt-free in retirement. That was sort of the thought. And now my husband and I were thinking, oh, that's what we need to do. But when we actually talked to a financial advisor, and this was several years ago, he pointed out the fact that what happens a lot of times, people get a windfall of some kind and they will take it and they will pay off their mortgage, which sounds good on the outside. Oh, great, now you don't have to pay for your home. But what if something happens? Say if you or your spouse have a long-term illness or a disability of some kind, and you need some income. Well, you don't have, you've paid for your roof, you paid for your home, but you've got to move someplace else, or you've got to have some kind of care that comes in, or you have to do some improvements. What our financial advisor changed our way of thinking. Instead of paying off all your debt, make sure you have enough money, your all finances, what is that called? Your total amount of money you have in the bank, all your assets. Those are the things, your total assets. Even though you're paying mortgage, it's better to have all that money in the bank rather than pay off your debts. Now, I am not suggesting to go off and not pay your debts or to pay your debts. What I'm saying is find a financial advisor, because you may be going off of the assumptions or the financial advice that your parents or their parents had may not apply to your case. So be wise with your money. Find a financial advisor that will help you out. I hope you've enjoyed this video. In the comments below, let me know what you would suggest doing when you retire, or when somebody else retires, or what you hope to do when you retire. And if this video has been helpful for you, guess what? I want you to give me a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Have a great one.